RBI has moved over 100 tons of gold from the UK to its vaults in India. This marks the first time since early 1991 that such a scale of gold has been added locally. A similar quantity of gold may be moved into the country in the coming months. The transfer was for logistical reasons and diversified storage, officials told TOI. At the end of March, RBI had 822.1 tons of gold, with 413.8 tons overseas. RBI bought 27.5 tons of gold during the last financial year. Bank of England has traditionally been the storehouse for many central banks, including India. Some of India's gold stocks have been in London since pre-independence days. RBI started purchasing gold a few years ago and reviewed storage locations. Since stock was building overseas, it was decided to move some gold to India, an official said. Gold is an emotional issue for Indians, especially after the 1991 balance of payments crisis. RBI bought 200 tons of gold from the IMF around 15 years ago. Recently, a steady build-up in gold stocks has occurred through RBI purchases. This move shows economic strength and confidence, contrasting with the 1991 situation, a source said. Moving 100 tons of gold required months of planning and precise execution. Coordination was needed between the Finance Ministry, RBI, and several government wings. RBI got a customs duty exemption to ship the gold, with the centre foregoing revenue. There was no exemption from integrated GST, shared with states. A special aircraft was used to fly the gold with detailed security arrangements. The move will help RBI save on storage costs paid to the Bank of England. Gold is held in RBI vaults in Mumbai's Mint Road office and Nagpur.